Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to post up a clip of my Fender Eliminator that I made for the Sportster S. I'll post up some pictures of the build. I didn't actually film while I was building because it took me quite a while to fabricate this thing, but I got rid of that whole back end piece here. I didn't really like that thing. I wanted to clean it up. So this is just a little $10 Amazon LED strip that I bought. I heat shrunk it to this plate that I built out of stainless steel, and that's it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the plate there. The clearance is really tight here on the tire, so I don't know if it's going to rub. It might rub. If it does, then I might just go ahead and cut the license plate off and move it to the side, but I don't like putting the license plates on the swing arm on the side there, so hopefully it won't rub, and that is it. I guess I could turn the bike on so you can see the light. It's there. Turn signal. Let me see if I could try to get the brake light working on this thing so you could see it. Yep. The hardest part was actually sourcing the stainless steel. So I went to, I think it was Home Depot or Lowe's, and I found this kind of like a grill topper. It was the only thing I could find out of heavier gauge stainless steel. So I bought it, I cut it in half. I used half of it for the license plate, and I saved this side for my grill for cooking. But it's really nice and sturdy stainless steel. It's not thin. Apparently it's really hard to find this stuff, but I found it at Home Depot, and it was like 24 bucks for this, so it works. That's how I built the plate mount. I'll post up some pictures so you could see it actually off of the bike. For the wiring, I actually went and got these two parts from Harley. So there's a plug, and this is the plug. It's 6 wire, but you only use 5 of the wires for the LED. So I bought this for like 5 or 6 bucks. And then there's a little, hang on a second. So this is the other part that you need here. If you want to buy and do this and not cut your wiring harness, you need a plug, and you need this socket. This is the part number. It's like 50 cents. It's just this little connector here. It's like a female connector. So I soldered all the connections to this connector, to the plug, and it works perfect. If you got any questions, give me a holler, and I'll post up some of the photos from the build so you can kind of get an idea of. It's really easy, man. It wasn't that hard to make. I spent some time massaging the stainless to make it nice and clean, but it's adjustable too. I can space it down or whatever, but yeah, hopefully it works out. If you got any questions, give me a holler. Later.